Hello, everyone. This is Fred Wilson, Senior Mortgage Loan Originator at SWBC Mortgage, and welcome to another one of my weekly video series titled Monday Mortgage Moment. Today, I'm here in the law office of Bittner and Bittner, talking to the principal attorney, Jim Bittner, who I've done a number of real estate settlements with, and today we're going to talk about title. Jim, first of all, tell us, what is title? We always hear it a lot in real estate.
Well, in a basic term, it's the ownership of a particular piece of property, and it is codified in the records at the courthouses, at least in Virginia, in every county where a property is located.
Okay. And then with title, you also hear a lot about title insurance. What is title insurance and what is it used for?
Right, it's a very good question. Title insurance gives either a lender, if it's lender's title insurance, or an owner, if it's owner's title insurance, a degree of protection in case there's a loss suffered because of a title problem. Sort of like having car insurance in case you have an accident.
Okay. And then which one normally costs more? Because you have two types of coverage, lender's coverage and owner's coverage.
Right. Well, they're each based on how much coverage you get. So if you buy $1 million house, you get $1 million in coverage. If you get $1 million loan, then the lender's coverage on the loan is for $1 million. So the cost is related to how much coverage you're getting and the risk that the insurance underwriting company has to take on and insure against, meaning what they might have to pay out if there's a loss to an owner or to a lender.
Okay. And then for my last question is, how often are there really claims filed for title insurance from your experience?
Well, it's a great question, and I have to say the number of claims have gone up exponentially over the last, say, 5 to 10 years. It used to be we would see a claim every now and then, maybe every couple years. Now we're seeing them routinely almost every other case. And it may not be a matter that actually is paid out by the insurance company, but it's a title problem that perhaps has to be corrected. But if it wasn't caught or wasn't corrected properly, the title insurance could come in and provide some relief through some payment of money or provision of legal services for the person who's covered, meaning the person who bought a policy, or if it's a lender policy for the lender if they have a loss.
So it's always beneficial, at least for the owner, to pay for that owner's title policy.
Well, in my opinion, absolutely. I would never buy a house without it. There is some negative information out there about it, but I have to say I disagree wholeheartedly with that information. It's always good to have the protection. And the really nice thing about it is you pay it once, and it covers you as long as you own the home.
Okay. Thank you so much for this valuable information. And I hope everyone here was able to learn a little more about title and title insurance. So this is Fred Wilson, Senior Mortgage Loan Originator at SWBC Mortgage. I look forward to talking with you again next week. Thank you.